Yeah, you can put a few chocolates in each. You can put a few chocolates in each first.
How much? No, but I got it and you got it.
Okay, right, I think that looks pretty good to me, yeah? Okay. When Edmund Hillary was a boy in New Zealand, he built rafts to explore the Waikato River. He climbed mountains, he crossed Antarctica. He was one of the first 2 men to reach the summit of Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. This is his story. It's time to climb the mountain. Are you ready to get up? Okay, let's do it. It's 5:30 and we've just started our hike to Mueller Hut. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's make it. Where are we going to go?
To City Town.
What are we going to Silly Towns for?
Sunrise.
Let's go for sunrise.
Right, let's keep going.
Okay. You can do it, buddy. I think this is turning out to be one of the most incredible things I've ever seen in my entire life. We've got the sun rising behind me a little bit, and this is Aoraki Mount Cook, and I have never seen it so clear. Absolutely fizzing. Let's get up there. Jen, give us a wave.
After we're at sunrise, we're going to keep going to Mueller Hut.
So why do you want to do this walk?
Because it has a good view.
Yeah? So why is Mount Cook pretty special to you? Edmund Hillary climbed it. And what did Edmund Hillary do? What makes him special?
Because he climbed it too.
And what else did he climb?
Everest.
Yeah. And what's Mount Everest? Is it a small mountain?
Big!
It's big?
Yeah, it's the biggest one
Biggest mountain.
in the world.
Okay. Right, are we ready to go? Let's do this. Got it?
That pole did hold me.
Good.
Stay quiet.
Listen, listen. You hear a Kia? Let's go find it. You right?
Bum hit my head.
My bum hit your head. What's... Isn't that beautiful, Captain? But after 8 o'clock, and Kippy's going up like a trooper. The screw's going to be quite hard to come down, but we're enjoying going up it. It's quite fun. Good boy, well done. When you're at Silly Towns, you kind of think, oh, it's just up there, and then maybe you'll go around the corner, but it looks like it's just up, up, up.
Somehow it's making you look little.
G'day team, we have made it to Mueller Hut. And so you can stay at Mueller Hut. This is the Red Hut here, the famous Red Hut. It's a beautiful view. Where is it? Yeah. Of Aoraki Mount Cook. So the highest mountain in New Zealand. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That is incredible. Wow. Oh, around the corner, babe. Woo. Give me a hands up. Woohoo.
I'll give you a high five stick.
Hey. Hey you. Show me what you got. Even though he's only 5, you know, he's pretty passionate about the outdoors and he just loves the mountain, and asking for ages to come up to the top of Mt Ollivier. It's Hillary's first summit and he is absolutely Edmund Hillary obsessed, and he wants to climb Everest one day, and I know it seems pretty cool that just me and him, we can make it up to the top of this mountain, and I know I'm pretty damn proud of him. This morning he asked to get up for sunrise at Sealy Towns, and to be honest, I didn't really want to get up for sunrise, but you know what, I was like, if you want to do it, then let's do it. He's just so proud of himself, and his passion just pushes me along, and listen to that avalanche. He's so headstrong, and he just got stuck in there and climbed. And he climbed and he climbed, and some of that terrain was not easy. There was lots of scree, and I'm just so impressed with his ability to just truck on and keep going. Not once did he ever complain. He knew what he wanted, and he knew we needed to make it to the top of the mountain. We did it together. I think that's the thing. We did it together. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud. I have no idea what's going to be next though. Yeah. Give me a kiss.
Goodbye, Marco.